Greetings, everyone. My name is Wes Bunn. I'm a senior technical writer here at Epic Games, and in the next several videos, we're going to be working together to create our own multiplayer project, including Steam, from the front end, menu select, options, etc., into a lobby where our players can connect with one another and hang out in a lobby and chat and choose characters and choose map settings. Once that is all defined, transitioning all the way into a gameplay map. So the front end is what we're primarily focused on in this tutorial series, just getting clients connected to a server and then the server traveling to a gameplay map of their choice. So it's going to be a lot to cover. Before we get started, though, I did want to show you the finished project, so we're going to show you that real quick. Let me hop off screen for a second just to show you. I have Steam up in the background. And off screen on my laptop, I have Steam with a different Steam account that is hosting a match for us to potentially join. So let's go ahead and I'm going to do a standalone version of the game here and just launch it up. And we'll talk about this more a little bit later on. You can only test multiplayer Steam projects on two PCs with different Steam names or Steam accounts. You can't test on the same machine using the same Steam account. And we'll also talk about server travel. You cannot use server travel during a play and editor session, only through a standalone. So we'll talk about this a little bit later, make a little bit more sense once we get to it down the road here. So here's our project. First thing that we see here, it says, please set up your player profile to continue. So I'm going to go ahead and enter a name and say this is Computer Man. And let's go ahead and pick a lovely avatar. These are the greatest avatars ever. So let's go ahead and pick, let's see, this one. That looks good. So I'm going to accept. So now we arrive at the main menu. I have some options. You can see it saved those options that I just entered. If we were to quit and come back in, those options would be saved. I could host a match where I can enter a server name, choose the number of players, and choose the play method, whether it's LAN or internet. You can do local sessions, or you can play through Steam matchmaking via the internet. There's already one created on my laptop here, so I'm going to go to find a match now. And I can choose my search method via LAN or internet. If I search via LAN, there shouldn't be any LAN games going on right now, so I'll search real quick just to make sure and check. No sessions found. Please try again. All right, let's check for an internet game. So I'm going to search. Match available. Join the match. So it's going to give me a countdown. After 0, when it gets to 0, it should return me back to the find a match. Let's see. So, okay, let's try and search again. It's going to present me with that same match. So I'm going to hit accept. It's going to load. And it should take me into my match that is being hosted by my laptop, which it is. And you can see there's a host that already has a character. His name is Laptop, and he has this brick wall of an avatar, which is cool. I'm going to go ahead and select the character now. I can't select this Frosty character because he already has them selected, but I can select a different one, such as this one here. And there is the laptop character there. If I jump on my laptop, you can see him there. And we can chat to one another, so I can come in here and say hello. It just says hello, and the laptop character says hi, like so. And I can toggle whether or not I'm ready, letting the the server know that we're ready. The server can also go in and choose some game settings, such as changing the map type and the map time, which I'm going to do now. So you should see that reflected on the clients here. Server can also go into game settings and kick me from this lobby, which you just did. Thank you for that. I can research though and get back in there just like so. We're not putting any preventative measures if you've been kicked from finding the server again, etc. This is just an entry-level foray into setting up client-server relationships and multiplayer with Blueprint. So it's very bare bones in its current functionality, but it works. So let's go ahead and pick a different character. This time we'll pick this one. And now as our server, we have the option of starting the match, even though players haven't signified if they're ready. When we get to that section, you can see how we set this up so you can prevent the server from actually launching until everybody has selected that they're ready. But it's completely up to you. So we'll just toggle ready just for the heck of it. Server knows that we're ready. Server can then launch the map and we appeared right inside of each other right now. But that's fine. We're both in here with our characters. I could hit T, get mouse cursor, and start typing in here. And the server can do the same thing. And let's get him. So there you go. That's essentially what we want to create from the front end all the way into a map of our choosing. We're not doing anything inside of here, inside of this gameplay map. I just want to get the selected characters and player information transferred from the front end all the way into a gameplay map. And then in future videos in this this tutorial series, we could expand upon this and add some gameplay elements as well. But for now, this is our goal, to go from the front end into a gameplay map. That's going to do it for this video. Up next, what we're going to do is start working on prepping our project by creating some of the folder structure and assets that we'll need along the way. So that's what we'll do next. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.